This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grosu. Wow! This two-story single-family house located in popular Brightwalk subdivision features inviting front porch, large and open floor plan west/hardwoods throughout entire house, stainless steel upgraded kitchen appliances, granite countertops, breakfast island, large pantry, studio/office space, city skyline views from master bedroom west/upgraded bathroom and custom closet. 2 guest bedrooms west/custom closets that share an updated bathroom. The backyard features an amazing screened-in porch with an outdoor TV mount, a grilling patio area, a fire pit for entering guests, and a sidewalk that leads to a 2-car detached garage. Great single-family home and community for single, roommates, or multifamily. The house is located within the award-winning Brightwalk community. Located mile from Uptown, Charlotte Music Factory, a 10-minute walk to the upcoming 100 acres Camp North End Innovation Corridor campus, local breweries, coffee shops, coworking spaces and restaurants. Fully furnished for $3,600 per month. For more information,